In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a call in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then right here tap at that icon to get into your DMs. Once you've done that, just get into a conversation with some user, and after that, towards the top of the screen, you can easily find this phone icon and also that camera icon. So using these two features, we can make audio or video call. To make audio call, just tap at that icon and it will call to that user, and then also we can turn this call to video call by enabling our camera, just like that. You can in any time turn on or off camera, mic and volume. That's how you can easily make a call on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.